I'll be talking about how to make more than $50 every day. So on this channel, I talk about P2P and token sales, how to make money with crypto. I'll leave a link in the video description to a Telegram group. I'm teaching people about crypto or P2P or anything whatsoever you want to know about crypto. So make sure you check the link in the video description to join the lesson group. So let me get into this video. If you don't have Bybit account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description also for you to be able to create your account with Bybit and check this out. And right here, you have to come this P2P trading. You have to press this. You have to change your currency to ADU, that's Australian dollar. Don't worry if you stay in Nigeria or anywhere in your country, you have this option to trade this on Bybit. And you have to meet one condition also. You have to have this Wise account or Revolut account. For instance, I have this Revolut account, so I can make this trade. So I'll be showing you how these guys are making profit doing this kind of trading every day. So to this sell order over here, people are buying over here. You are selling to people so they can sell. If you make an order to sell your order, it's going to bring it over here from people to buy from you. If you want to buy from people, it's going to bring it over here to sell to you. So understand this kind of modes. So over here around this buy, I'm going to focus on this place because this is the way people are making a lot of profit. So at the end of the video, you can determine if you want to be trading over here or here. So I will talk about this both the same thing. So right here, let me take for instance, I have Revolut account. I have to complete with this guy over here, and he's selling at this rate, and he's a verified merchant or Bybit. If you don't meet this verification process, you can also be a normal merchant on this Bybit, so there is no problem doing that. So right now this guy is selling at this rate. If I press this now, you say I'm uneligible to buy from this guy, but let's just calculate how much. If someone wants to buy from this guy which is using Revolut, is going to be getting dollar value, how much this guy is going to be making. So I'm going to go to my Revolut account to check the exchange rate. Right here, I'm in my Revolut account. If I press 161, so this guy is selling at this rate 1.661 cents of Australian dollar, and this guy will be receiving $106. So you'll be making $6 on each $100 worth of transaction on this with this guy over here. So if this guy make 100 transaction, you'll be making $600. So if he were able to make 100 transaction in a month, so you'll be making $600 in side also without doing something difficult. So yes, it's difficult to be pressing your phone, but at least it's more realistic. So that's how people are making money with this mode of trading. You can also use this different mode. See, the more you go down, the more the high profit you'll be able to make. And remember, people are competing with these guys over here. If I want to do this, I will just be selling my own price at my own rate. I will set my own rate to 160. So if anyone have Revolut account to trade over here, if the guy sees my own to buy from 1.60, is going to buy from him before this guy, because my rate is good 160 cents, so it's not 161. That's how logic these things works. If you want to try this out, and let me go to this sell option over here. You are buying from people at cheaper rates. So I'm going to navigate to this Revolut, because you don't want to trade with people that only have Revolut. You're going to scroll down to find you, and it's good to have this Wise account and Revolut, but in this case I have Revolut. So I'm going to deal with this kind of people over here, and this guy is buying from people at this rate 1.43 cents. So let's take for instance, I press to sell my Australian dollar to this guy, or my USDT to this guy at this rate. So this guy will be waiting to receive 143 Australian dollar in his account. Let me press this. I don't have money in my account. I know to sell to this guy or to buy from this guy. I will now go to my Revolut account. Remember, if I want to buy $100 worth of USDT from that guy at this rate 143 cents. So that's how much I'll be paying this guy. I'll be paying him, sorry, I have to change to this. Remember, I'm buying from that guy at lower rate, so I will be paying him 143 Australian dollar for $100 worth of USDT. Let me press 143. So as you can see over here, I'll be paying this guy $94.44 in dollar value, and I will be receiving $100 worth of USDT from him. So I will be making a roughly like $5.60 or $5.50. So you see, this how these guys are making money over here. You see, this guy have already made this kind of trade over here, 763 trades. This guy over here making 167 trade. I think this both side is also the same thing. If you are trading to buy from people or you are selling from people over here, it's also the same thing, and you're able to make $100. You're able to make 100 trades using $100 each transaction. On this kind of mode of trading, you'll be making a roughly of $500 or $600 every month. If you're able to trade more than 200 trade in each day or in a month, you'll be making a roughly like $1,200 or $1,000. So don't forget, if you want to learn more about this P2P, I'm going to leave a link in the video description to join the Telegram group, where I'll be explaining to people more about this P2P or crypto generally. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you get value in this video. Then I'm going to see you on the next video.